Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Cherokee tire, updated. Loosen the lug nuts a half turn, position the jack under the frame, raise until the wheel clears, remove lug nuts and tire, fit the spare, hand thread lug nuts, lower the vehicle, then torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended spec. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Before you begin, gather your tools and double-check the spare tire pressure and condition. Confirm the jack fits the Jeep Cherokee jack points and your lug wrench matches the lug nut size. Keep your phone handy and work on a firm, flat surface with good lighting. If the vehicle is unstable or rusted, call roadside assistance for professional help to avoid risking damage or injury. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy hands-free music and timers that make project days more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When changing the tire, take your time and follow the star pattern when tightening lug nuts to avoid warped rotors. Hand thread nuts first to prevent cross-threading, then snug them before lowering the vehicle. After lowering, use a torque wrench to reach the specified torque and secure the wheel. Recheck torque after a short drive and store tools and the flat tire properly once finished for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.